it's really worrisome. Pero how was it, no? In the first quarter of 2025, our GDP grew by 5.3%. In the second quarter, it's 5.1%. And in the third quarter, it dropped to 4%, no? So for us to achieve a 5.5% for the whole year of 2025, dapat ang fourth quarter 2025 should at least grow by mga 7.2, 7.1%, no? Which is a tall order. Hindi, wala pa manigawas kay uh, it's very impossible na kung ang atong performance in 22, in 23, 24 was less than 6%. So it's really impossible na for fourth quarter of 2025, we will grow by 7.1%, no? And then if we look at the preceding quarter, it's only 4%. What went wrong sa third quarter of 2025? That was immediately after the SONA of our president, no? So nung the SONA na-highlight yung top 15 contractors and eventually katong all other contractors, ang nangyari, the Department of Budget and Management, DPWH, and many other government agencies practically stopped all the construction projects, no, infrastructure projects, for example, not only flood control. So because of that, talagang nag-constrict yung economy natin, and ito na yung result, no, 4%, no. But after the third quarter, of course, nag-resume tayo, pero remember, this is already the Christmas season. So ang expectation natin dyan is probably we will grow, pero hindi siguro natin kakayanin ang 7.1%. Ang nakita natin doon, the inflation actually will shoot up, no, by the fourth quarter. So ngayon, even if as we speak, hindi wala pa ni gulo ang the whole year for 2025, nakita natin how our economy really constricted. Smarting from the 2022, which reached more than 7%. And then prior to 2022, except for the pandemic year 2020, very good ang performance natin. We were hitting more than 7%. Unfortunately, yung momentum natin, wala yun natin na-sustain starting 23, 24, and the worst is 2025, no? So ngayon, ano ang verdict natin? Ang economy talaga natin as a whole, it continues to decline. And we can see, we can feel, no, makita natin, ang dami nating problema. Like, aside from the DPWH, we found out that maraming school buildings na hindi nagawa. Marami tayong mga health centers, including the super health centers, na hindi din nagawa. No? So, ang dami talaga nating problems in infrastructure. And remember, our government is the biggest spender. When we say biggest spender, pag from kung ang budget natin sa national expenditure program of our president is talagang ma-spend na ating government. That's what we call the pump priming our economy. This is very crucial, no? So ang